Hi, this is Mike from Magnum Mics. This is a standard muzzle brake installation on a hunting rifle. We started out with a shrewd brake that allows us enough material to turn it down on the outside to match the contrast and the taper to your barrel. Also, it comes with a 22 diameter so we can bore it. So we're just 20 thousandths oversize your diameter of your bullet, so it makes the compensator or the muzzle brake as effective as possible. And this is basically our standard seamless fit. You see the muzzle brake on as it is now. You can see the gap.